Hi, good afternoon.
There is a announcement. The car MH12S 5781 Celerio MH12 5781. Is anybody here? Because of that, the heavy traffic jam is there outside. No one is.
Hi, good afternoon, everybody. I am Sujay Santra, founder and CEO at iCure. I would like to thank the organizers for giving us the opportunity to come over here and talk about our work. A brief about myself: I have worked in IBM and Oracle for more than 12 years. Last, I was in Oracle as a solution architect before starting iCure. So, I'd like to play a quick video to talk about our journey. Yeah, so it was 2009, and during that time, my father was staying in Kharagpur in West Bengal, so he had some sleep disorders and he went to a local doctor. He was taking wrong medicines for more than 6 months. At that point in time, I thought that how technology would be able to connect these patients with the doctors. The situation in the rural healthcare, it's an 80-20 rule. Typically, that is 80% of the population or 70% of the population in India stays in villages, which is being catered by only 20% of the doctors. So that is the huge demand and the supply gap. iCure is all about providing affordable remote monitoring solution using technology intervention. What we are doing is we are setting up a chain of rural health centers that are providing doctors, medicines, basic tests like BP, ECG and sugar. These health centers, they are set up at a block level, and we have the doctors who are visiting these health clinics a few days in a week. On the other days of the week, we have these health workers, so they can go to the last mile, they can go to the patient's home. The tablet has been designed to be used very simply. The health workers, they have a basic education, so in just 2 weeks of time they are able to pick up very fast, and these tablets capture all the clinical details of the patients, and these can be shared with the doctors. Using our technology, we can share all the data right from the report to the basic care test to these doctors in Bombay. We have been able to use the same limited set of doctors, and with the help of the health workers and the technology, we are able to see many more patients in these rural and remote areas. We cannot create doctors overnight, we cannot create hospitals overnight, but what we can do is to effectively orchestrate the existing resources at hand using technology. Yeah, so this was the video which was shot by Ericsson as part of the Global Innovations. So at iCure, we have covered more than 5 years of our journey, and our basic aim and purpose of the this thing, healthcare delivery and the rural healthcare delivery, is how we would be able to provide the rural and the remote monitoring intervention using very low cost and simple to use technology. Next slide, please. So as you can see on the health stats, I don't think we need to talk about, because we all know that there is a huge demand and the supply gap in the rural healthcare delivery. So why iCure? iCure's aim and purpose is how do we provide these healthcare deliveries. So what we do is we have set up rural health clinics. These are like building blocks of around 200 to 300 square feet of buildings, which we partner with various local NGOs who have got such infrastructures. So the patients, they can come, they can get various kinds of facilities such as doctor consultation and medicine for as low as 90 rupees, as against 300 to 400 rupees that they have to pay for the same set of services elsewhere. I would like to give one example. For example, we are working with Tata Trust in Jharkhand. It's a place called Torpa, one block which is having around 1 lakh tribal population. And the intervention by various NGOs in the last 15-20 years, they have been able to bring a lot of change in their patterns, such as agriculture. And what they have seen is that although these populations, they are able to have a livelihood opportunity, and they are able to earn around 1 to 1.5 lakh rupees for that self-help group in a year's time. Out of that, around 50% of that money goes towards healthcare because healthcare is not available. So in this case, we are setting up a hub which comprises of a pathology and the medical team. And then we have got the outreach centers, around 10 to 12 centers covering this entire block. So one medical team covers these centers few days in a week, where the patients, they can avail doctor consultation and medicine. And if they need any kind of pathology services, they can come to the hub, which is around 20 kilometers from there. So this is how they are able to get the entire set of services within that block. And in case the patient needs access to any secondary or the tertiary care, they can be referred to various hospitals, like we have partnered with Narayana Health, AIIMS and others. And the other important thing is convergent innovation. We know running a hospital and running rural healthcare, they are two different ball games altogether. In case of rural, it's not just health. Its health is linked to water, sanitation, and several other things which impacts the lives of the people. For example, we are working in Orissa, in Kandhamal and Rayagada, and here we are seeing 90% of the population is suffering from malaria and anemia. Of course, in last 50 to 60 years, we have seen that there has not been much change that has been done. So what we have seen is that the agricultural pattern and the food that they consume do not have any kind of rich supplements or nutrition. So through the agricultural intervention, we have asked them to grow pulses, broccoli, millets, which becomes a natural supplement diet. And this is how we are bringing a change in their lifestyle pattern. And this is how we are able to bring an impact through these health workers. And the other major innovation which we are doing is for the health workers. These health workers are no person but these community members, like the movement in the family between the age of 20 to 45 years, like they are married, they are settled in the life, and then we are training them on clinical and technology. So within a very short period of time, these health workers, they become the community health workers for that particular community. We all know that we can afford family doctors for the urban people, but in case of such rural areas, these community health workers become such some kind of any person they can go and talk to about. So in terms of scale-up plan, we have 28 clinics of our own, and we are now looking to scale up aggressively. And it's not that we are trying to set up a parallel system. We are working with government and using our technology to provide the solutions wherever it is required. And in terms of the WIMS technology, we have a competitive edge. It works across the 3 layers, right from the last mile to the hospital level. We are now present in West Bengal, Odisha, Jharkhand, Karnataka, and we are now expanding in several other geographies. And we are working with several international research partners like University of Michigan, McGill, Santa Clara, to name a few, as well as we are working with several hospital partners. To sum it up, we also have a very stringent social and impact indicators and the data analytics. So these data analytics can serve a very important tool, especially in the rural areas, to talk about the health and the disease profile. And then various kinds of funds can be designed and allocated in a time-bound and a very organized fashion. We do also various kind of CSR initiatives in the healthcare domain. And this is about our work. Thank you.